Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video lessons. My name is Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, CEO Adrenaline Online Private Tutorial Platform, a platform that has helped a lot of students to become pro in sciences. Is it in chemistry, in physics, in mathematics? Just name them. And again, we are glad to inform our dear esteemed students all around the world that for students who are studying abroad and they're also working and might not have time to do their assignment, we are also offering research and project work. So do well to contact us with this number, and also you can send us message on our different social media handle where you are seeing this video right now. Now in this particular video, it is also under grade 12 and we're working on calculus, which is chain rule, which is what now? Chain rule. And this is one of the questions that was given to me by one of my students in the United States. This is one of their worksheet, and we're trying to work on this worksheet. And in this video, you will learn the beginner steps on how to understand how to solve questions within the shortest possible time and having grade 1 knowledge on how these stuff are done. Now let us go quickly. Now, if I'm having a question like this, y is equal to open bracket 3 minus 2x close bracket 2, which is response 2. Now you should understand some certain things here, right? There is a formula for calculating chain rule, which is a general formula for calculating chain rule. So I'll give it to you right now. Now the question says here that find the differentiation or find the differentiation of what now? Y. So look at how the rule applies. For example, if I'm having y is equal to u square, right? Shortcut. If you differentiate y, it will be equal to, now this power of 2 here, right, will come as the coefficient. Then you put u. You now remove 1 from this 2, which is 2 minus 1, which is 1, which we did not bother to write. Multiply by, you will now differentiate u. So that's u prime. Now let us say we can solve this question with application of this rule. Simple. If I now differentiate, so we are taking everything in this bracket here as my u. So I am trying to break it down so that even a little like a little child that is still trying to master calculus can have a broader understanding. That is what we do to all our students. We have the pro class, we have the beginners class. Every question can be solved so easy. It depends on the tutor that is guiding you. So listen. Now let's go. So I come here, I'm taking my u here to be equal to what now? 3 minus 2 what? 2x. This is my u. If you then differentiate u, for example, remember, you cannot differentiate 3 because there is no x here with respect to it. Beginner step. But I can differentiate this minus 2x. This is how it goes. Remember, there is a power of x here. The power of x here is 1, which we do not write. So it will be 1 times minus 2 is minus 2, right? Remember, you are to also remove 1 from this power here, because this power will multiply the coefficient. Then you remove 1 from the power, which is 1 minus 1 is 0. For example, look at it here. 1 minus 1 is x raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. That is why if you differentiate 3 minus 2x, you have to get minus 2 only, right? I'm trying to make it much more easier. So let's go. Y, if you differentiate y now, it will not be equal to, following the rule, these two will become the coefficient, which is 2. You now bring back everything in this bracket down, which is bracket 3 minus 2x from the rule, multiplied by the, if you differentiate u now, you add minus 2, so here become minus 2. Easy, right? We are almost close to the answer. So let's go, which is now equal to minus 2 times 2 will give him minus 4, open bracket, 3 minus 2x. I can still further simplify. I can also say equal to minus 4 times 3 is minus 12. Minus 4 minus 2x will give me plus 8x. So anyhow you do it, it can either be like this or like this, but I feel this one is much more simplified. So that is what marks the end of this particular video. But I will give you a classwork right now, which you will do for me. Follow the same step I did. Then you drop your answer in the comment section below. Let us see this particular question. Let me give you this question. Okay, I'll put it down here, which is find y prime when y is equal to 2x plus 1 raised to power 3. Follow the rule I just gave to you and tell me your answer. This is for those who are trying to come up in mathematics, in calculus. So do well. If you want a private classes or an online live Zoom classes, do well to contact us today, and you'll be glad you did so. Thank you, and God bless you.